What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lubar's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the Subaru Forester. We're going to be working on rectifying this problem that we have with the lift gate. When I try to open it, look at this. Boom, right to the noggin. Ouch. So what's happening is that it's not opening up all the way as it should be because these lifters are old. And we need to switch them out for some new ones. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna switch out these liftgate supports and we're gonna exchange them for some new ones that we got. Just need a Phillips screwdriver and a 12mm socket, and that should pretty much do it for this job today. Super simple. I'll go ahead and add the link to the description for the new liftgate supports. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on in. So let me show you what's going on here. So when we open the liftgate, first of all, it stops right there. Give it a little bit of a boost, and it opens about right there, but it should be lifting all the way to the top. So there's been times where I've opened the lift gate and I've hit my head, like I said, right on this corner right there. It's a pretty low sitting SUV for the most part, but still, nonetheless, I'm tired of getting doinked in the head. And this is what we're working with. So we got one there, and then we got the right one over there. And it's pretty easy, guys. So as you can see, 2 Phillips screws, or I believe that's 12mm. And then down here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use a 12mm wrench, and we're gonna back this out. Should be pretty simple. And these are our new lift supports right here. We got the right one and the left one. I got these off of Amazon. I believe they're about 30 bucks. I actually tried to go to the dealership and inquire about how much they were. So for the new ones, it's actually 65 bucks a piece. So 65 and 65. And on top of that, they didn't even have it for my car anymore. I don't think they make them anymore. So here we are with the Amazon special. I'm okay with saving, what is that? 90 bucks on these liftgate supports. I'm totally fine with that. So let's go ahead and get to the back and start cracking. All right, so here we are, guys. We're gonna go ahead and work on the left one first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use our 12mm here, and we're gonna back this screw out right here. Well, there you go, guys. Make sure that you are holding on to this liftgate or it's gonna fall on you. And I stand corrected, guys. They're actually 10mm sockets, but you can also use a Phillips screwdriver. These new ones are marked. So when you look at the barcode, it says L and R. So we're obviously changing the left one out first. And I'm just gonna use the OEM bolts here. It does come with new ones, but I always like to just use OEM because they fit better most of the time. All right, cool beans. All right, so we successfully went ahead and installed the first one here. Like I said, there's those 10mm sockets or Phillips screw heads. And then we just gotta screw this into there. And that should do it for the first one. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today's video. As you can see, it was a pretty simple job. The only thing that I would caution you is make sure you have something to prop the door up, or else it'll fall on your head like it did on me. Hopefully that was informational for you. You learned something today, and now you feel confident in order to be able to go ahead and change out your liftgate supports as well. Like I said, it was probably about maybe 10 minutes tops. It's 10mm and a 12mm. That's all you need. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. It helps this channel grow, and we'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.